Alright guys, so here is another example of how to do these problems. So let's set it up. What if you see one of these problems? Okay, from A, B, C. Okay, so from A to B, let's just say it is 2. From B to C, 3x, and then the whole thing is 1x plus 4. Okay? The first thing we should do, as always, write down what we know. A to B, do we know what it is? Yeah, it's 2. B to C, yep, 3x. And then A to C, which is the whole thing, 1x plus 4. And what is the formula to set it up? That's step number 1. Step number 1, set up the formula. And what is the formula? This baby half versus this baby half equals the whole thing. So these versus the whole line. So what is the first baby half? 2. This is a positive, so plus the other baby half, which is this, 3x. And so there's not enough space, so I'm just going to put it over here. 2 plus 3x equals the whole thing, this over here, 1x plus 4. Okay, so we're going to copy this on the next half. Okay, so this is step 2. What would step 2 be? Step 2 is trying to get x by itself, but there's a problem. There's 2 of them. Okay, so we should say which x is bigger? The 3 is bigger, so we want to move this, the smaller one, on the other side. How do we do that? Well, what's the opposite of 1x? Minus. Because if there was a negative, we would see a negative right over there. And there isn't. So it is a minus. Is a positive. So 1x minus 1x, they cancel each other out. So we got rid of it. But remember, this is a mirror. Whatever we do on one side of the equal side, we got to do on the other. So 3x minus 1x would be 2x. Okay? And so the rest of this falls equals 4. This falls, there's nothing under it. 2. So step 3, I'm going to rewrite this. 2 plus 2x equals 4 is move the 2 on the side. And so the opposite of plus 2 would be a minus 2. If If you have $2 and you spend $2, how much would you have? You would have no dollars. Whatever we do on this side, we gotta do on this side. So this moves over here. We said -2 on this side, we gotta do -2 on that side. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I'm gonna rewrite it. This falls. What's left? 2x equals, what is it over here? 2. Okay? Step 4 is divide, because we're trying to get the 2 on the other side, but also leave the x alone. So divide by 2 cancels out. This is a mirror. If we divide on 2 on the other side, got to do it on the other. How many times can 2 go inside 2? One time. And is x alone? It sure is. It drops. X equals 1. So let's just say, for example, another problem that asks, okay, after you solve for x, solve for the length of AC, for example, which was, if you remember on page 1, AC was x plus 4. Okay? And so do we know what x is? Yeah, we solved it already. X equals 1. Okay? So all you do is literally erase the x because we know what it is, and we put in a 1. And 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, and that's the answer.